We're going to start by opening iMovie. So find the purple app with the star and the video camera in the middle. Mine's down here at the bottom. Tap on that and you can see that we're now ready to start our video. We're going to create a new project, so you're going to hit this plus sign and it's going to give the option of movie or trailer. And we're making a full movie, so we're going to click movie. And the first thing it does is bring you to all the video clips and pictures that are on your iPad. And you can see the top one is the one I want to use here, the 30-second long one. So if I tap that, you get a little blue check mark. And down at the bottom it says Create Movie. If I click Create Movie, then iMovie is going to bring that video in. And you can see here it is. It is, yes, me dancing. And it's one long clip. Okay, but I don't want it to be one long clip because first I had to start by hitting record and then walk to the middle of the room, and you can see that I don't want this part of me walking in my video. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of that part. So I'm going to slide my video over to right when I'm done walking, right before I start my first dance. So you can see there's my first part of my dance. I'm going to back up just a little bit right here. So this white line is where I want to get rid of everything in front of it. So if I tap on my video, you can see it turns yellow around it, and I have these buttons at the bottom. I'm going to click the actions, the scissor button, and now I have some other choices. I have split, detach audio, and duplicate. I want to split this clip. So if I click split, you can see that now I actually have two video clips. So I'm going to click off here, and I can scroll back and forth with my finger. There's me walking, and then the second clip starts. Even though it looks like it's still the same piece, it's actually two different clips now. And I want my video to start here where I really start dancing. So I want to get rid of me walking. I'm going to click that first clip. It turns yellow. And over here on the right hand side at the very bottom, you see the trash can, delete. Let's just go ahead and delete that clip. So now my video starts right when I start dancing. Now the problem with this is, besides the fact that I'm not a very good dancer, is I have three different dances and they're all one long clip. And I want to split them up into three different pieces. So I'm going to hold my finger on this clip and slide it until I stop doing the first dance. And you can see it's right about here. I put my hands down and then I get ready and I start the next one. So I'm going to back up. I'm going to try to find a good spot right in between the two, maybe right before I turn, right about here. So my white bar is right where I want to split the clip. I'm going to tap it on it, and it's yellow again. And I'm going to hit that split button. Okay, and you can see I have two clips now. And if I slide between the two, you can see here is the first dance. It stops, and then I have this space here, and the second dance goes. And I do that dance, and then you can see I stop, and I get ready for the final. So I'm going to back up. Again, I'm going to find between the last two dances. So I'm about done there, and before I start my next dance. So right about, I put my legs together. Let's go right there. And I'm going to split this clip up. So again, tap. When it turns yellow, you're going to hit the word split. And you can see now I have three clips and three different dances. And then the end of my last clip, I have to walk back to the camera and turn it off. But we don't want to see that in the actual video when we're done. So I'm going to back up, slide it over with my finger till I'm right when I'm done dancing, right about there. And I'm not ready to walk to the camera yet, so I'm going to stop there, tap on the clip, and hit split. Now that end piece that's now in yellow is just me walking to the camera, and we don't want that in our video. So if I tap it, hit the trash can again, delete. Now you can see I have three clips, and they're all just dance, dance, and dance. So we have three different pieces. It still looks like one video when we hit play. Yes, I know I'm not a very good dancer. And then it's going to go to the third clip, but it still looks like it's all part of the same video. You can see, there we go. And then there's no me walking at the end. So that's how you split a clip. And let's say at the end I want this clip to be a little bit longer and I cut out too much. I liked a little bit of me like walking away. So maybe I want to put some of that in the video. If I click on it, I can grab with my finger the end yellow piece and hold, and I can drag it further out. And that brings back some of that, just a little bit of that part that we cut out earlier. So if I drag it, I want to walk just right there. I don't want to see myself turning the camera off, but I like that I'm walking towards the camera. So I made that clip a little bit longer, and you can see I stopped dancing, and then I have a little bit of me walking towards the camera. So that is how you split clips or stretch them out to be a little bit longer.